Let's be honest for a second. The market has been moving really slowly. Not collapsing, not exciting, just kind of a stuck. Still pretty bearish, still choppy, and there is not much happening on the surface. And when the market is like this, I tend to pay more attention to what's happening around the market, not just price. Things like who is expanding, who's spending money, and who's clearly positioning themselves for a long term. That's actually how I came across one exchange that caught my attention. Not because of a new feature or a token launch, but because I saw them show up somewhere I honestly didn't expect. Football, specifically La Liga. Also, before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. This video is just for educational purposes and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. So today I am talking about Toobit, and they're now official regional partner of La Liga, which is a pretty serious level of collaboration. La Liga doesn't really do random partnerships, so this immediately stood out for me. Once I looked it up, it turned out this wasn't just branding. There's a full campaign built around competition and performance behind it. So quick context if Toobit isn't already on your radar. Toobit is a global crypto derivatives exchange that's built mainly for traders who care about liquidity, execution, speed, and advanced tools. Some of the things they focused on: deep liquidity across major pairs, a trading environment designed for active and experienced users, risk management tools that make sense if you're actually trading, not just clicking around. Overall, it is positioned much more of the professional trading side of crypto, which actually aligns pretty well with why this La Liga partnership exists in the first place. Also, after doing some more research, the connection is pretty logical. Football, especially at the La Liga level, is highly competitive, global, performance-driven. Crypto trading at a serious level isn't that different. That's where the campaign team comes in. Play on a bigger stage. The idea is connecting elite football competition with a trading environment designed for users who already know what they are doing. And as a part of this partnership, Toobit and La Liga launched a campaign called Elite Championship. So actually here on the Toobit official website, we can find this button, Toobit x La Liga. So let's click it. So here we will find all the important information about this partnership. So as we can see, Toobit La Liga official regional partners. And here we can find kick off the Elite Championship, win $800,000. And as we can see here, they have the countdown. So actually, if you want to participate in this partnership and win some portion of this $800,000, you have still 40 days to do it. And actually, it's super simple. So let's check it out. So firstly, what you need to do is to register. And then we have strike for the win, top the scorer leaderboard, and hype up the fan zone. So let's start with the strike to win because this is the place where everything is happening. You need to register and then you can spin 3 football balls, and here we can find all the prize you can try to win. Then there is new user tasks, and actually the more tasks you do, the more rewards you can get. So for example, there is first deposit, so you need to deposit on Toobit more than 30 USDT to earn 1 draw chance. So this means you can again draw these balls. So there is different tasks you can complete. There is also daily tasks, so you can see you can win +3 draw chances. Then we have limited time tasks. So keep this in mind, guys. Not all the tasks are daily or will be on this website for a long time. So check those out because as I see, the prizes are way bigger compared to the daily tasks. So you can also check those limited tasks as soon as possible. And yeah, this is basically it. So overall, you are completing the tasks, you're getting the rewards, and this is how you try to participate in this partnership. Then we have top the scorer leaderboard. So here we can see the more participants, the larger prize pool. Invite friends to join and unlock the 500,000 USDT prize pool together. So as we can see, there is 4,000 participants and the prize pool right now is $50,000. And as you can see, the more participants joined this collaboration, the bigger prize pool will be. And the biggest prize pool will be $500,000. Here we have the leaderboard. So as you can see, by completing the task, this person earned already $12,000, which I think is really, really impressive. And lastly, we have Hype Up the Fan Zone. Head to the Gleam to take on fun community tasks and score up to 200 USDT in trial funds, plus exclusive La Liga merchandise. So here's 3 steps. So firstly, you need to complete tasks on X or Telegram, then share your fan spirit and invite, tag 3 or more friends, and then submit a creative post using Toobit La Liga to unlock bonus rewards. And actually, by doing this, if you are a lucky one, you can earn 200 USDT. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this is super simple to participate in. There is still 40 days. It's super easy to share with your friends. And yeah, I think this is an amazing opportunity. Also, guys, I will leave all the links in the description so you can start with one click. So definitely check those out. And another thing, don't forget to follow this product on all their social media to never miss all the important details. I will leave also those links in the description for your convenience. So basically, yeah, guys, in a bearish market, I actually find these opportunities more interesting than staring at price candles. Toobit Exchange partnering with La Liga and backing it with a clearly defined campaign says a lot about how they're approaching growth and visibility. If you are already active in trading, this can be a solid opportunity to participate in a large global event without needing to speculate on anything new or unknown. The event link is in the description if you want to take a closer look. Also, again, this video is for educational purposes only, and this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And as always, if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. So thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.